Okay, so you've all heard me moaning about the what sounds like valve train or tappet noise when I start the thing up from cold. Here she is in all her glory, not in bad nick. Let me go and open her up. And you can't hear it. Oh. You can't really hear anything. It doesn't sound noisy, other than, yeah, lots of wind noise. Doesn't sound too bad. But let's take it for a little spin up the road, because I've got an alternate theory that maybe it isn't a valve or a tappet or a lifter. Well, in best Monty Python's fashion, my alternate theory, and what it is too, because it's only really happens when it's cold. Let's see if you can hear it. I'll keep quiet. I'm not going to go on a main road, I'm just going to go round the block, as it were. Right, hear it? Dugga, 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 dugga. Can you hear it? Hear it? Dugga, 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 dugga. And it only does it when it's cold. There it is. Very nice of you to wait, mate. I'm bigger than you. Thank you very much. Eek! Can you get through? Come on. There we go. There we are. Right. And you can still hear it. Digga, 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 digga. Now it sounds like it's coming from the front and from the beyond the bulkhead firewall there. Awful road, so unfortunately there's also all the road noise. But I hope deceleration. Oh, someone coming. Okay. Can you hear it? I can hear it, but that's because I didn't have this sort of noise on my previous one. Now, my alternate theory was that as it happens when it's cold and I put my foot down, is it an old, because this is an old car, 19-year-old, hello, here's the fuzz, I'll let them go past. 19-year-old UJ that's a bit seized and needs a bit of warming up. So that's something I really ought to check. Right, here it is, it's doing it still. Don't know if you guys can hear it, but we'll see. Let's see where that policeman's going. What's kicking off? Let's have a little look. I'm going to be nosy. I live here too. I'm only doing 30. This is I think the second or third police vehicle I've seen come up here in the past 20 minutes, and a fire engine. So it could be that something's kicked off somewhere. Right, Mr. Policeman didn't go up there. Let's have a little look. Right, you can hear it still. Can you hear it? There he is, right up, that's where they all are. Do I want to go down there and be nosy? What sort of incident is kicking off? I think what I'll do is I'll go up here. Not be too obvious. See if I can go round the block. Something's kicking off. We're up at normal operating temperature now. I can still hear it, but it's not as bad. Let's have a little look. Oh, yeah, here they are. Bum, 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 bum. I don't know. Whoa! Hello, Mr. FedEx. I don't know why we need ambulances. Let's have a little look. Ambulance, close. 2 ambulances. Fire service. Oh God! Oh, a car upside down. Bloody hell! No idea how that happened. Sorry, guys. A car upside down on its roof. Someone's been hurt. Oh dear. This guy's decided not to come down here because they've got it blocked. There you go. Yeah, take your time, mate. No worries. In this lifetime, though, would be nice. Right, so there we are. Let's see if I give it a little bit of beans. You can still hear it. Right, now it's starting to go. Now that's sort of, I don't know. See? Now it's gone. So if I slow down again and go from rest, I can just about hear it, but only just. Right, there we go. There we are. And that's it. So